Are you feeling stuck with your money? Even though you are having budget for everything, you are making the spreadsheets, but still you are not able to make enough of the money, and you are always thinking that what is the thing which I am doing wrong. Reason can be in your birth chart. Today we are going to explore about the second house, which is the house of wealth. I'm showing you a chart here. You can see the chart, and I have marked the second house. You can see your second house in your birth chart, and then you can see what zodiac sign is exactly in this chart. I'm going to talk about all the zodiac signs from 1 to 12 which are in your second house, and how you can utilize that power to make good wealth, to make good money. So let's start it out. We'll start with Aries. If there is number 1 written in your second house, that this means that the house is of Aries. So your path to wealth is through your bold actions and independence. Ruled by Mars, you are meant to create opportunity, not wait for them. Align with this energy and ask for the raise. Launch your own business. Career in entrepreneurship or sales is good for you. Second is Taurus. If there is second written in your second house. So, as a natural ruler of the second house, your path is slow, steady, but built on a solid foundation and solid ground. Focus on quality over quantity and long term sustainable investments. Career in finances, real estate, and luxury goods is potent for you, and you can create a good wealth out of that. Now, if Gemini is in your second house, 3 is written there. Your key to wealth is information, and ruled by Mercury, your income is like to come from your ideas, manage multiple streams as a natural fit for you. Monetize your knowledge through a blog, podcast, or by consultation. For your networking is a primer wealth generating for you. Try to create network, and that can benefit to you. If you have Cancer, now your path to wealth is tied to your security and nurturing nature. Ruled by Moon, you are thrive to manage other people, making them feel safe. Thinking real estate, hospitality, or caregiving profession is good for you. If there is Leo written, your path of wealth is through spotlight. Ruled by Sun, your income is tied to your creativity and leadership. So don't hide your talents. Monetize your passion. Be confident. Career in entertainment, performances, or leadership, all are good for you. If you have Virgo on your second house, your key to wealth is success, service, precision, and practical expertise. You build wealth by being incredibly useful and mastering a skill. Focus on detail and organization. Career in health, data analysis, anything which require your meticulous skills is good fit for you. If you have reached up to this point of video and you are liking this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this with your loved ones, and also give me a comment. If you want to learn astrology from me, I have my regular batches going on. Every month I have a new batch. You can contact me on WhatsApp and get the details from there. And if you want the private consultation from me, it's a paid consultation. You can directly contact me via WhatsApp. Now, moving on to the next part, which is if you have Libra in your second house. Your path to wealth is through partnership and harmony. Ruled by Venus, you are meant to build your empire with the help of partner, not alone. Collaboration is a key here. Your eye for beauty and justice make career in law, designs, anything which is related to luxury. If you have Scorpio, your path to wealth is through depth and transformation. This powerful placement suggests wealth can be come from shared resources, investment, hidden truth, career in psychology, finances, financial strategies, investigations are a good fit for them. Moving on to Sagittarius. If Sagittarius is in your second house, your path to wealth is through expansion and higher knowledge, ruled by Jupiter. You should have big thinking, believe in yourself, be limitless. Wealth can come through travel, teaching, or publishing. Now, if Capricorn is in your second house, your path is through discipline and long term ambitions. Ruled by Saturn, it's a natural for being a CEO, but bringing wealth patiently. You can't hurry in this zodiac sign. You thrive structured environment, excellence in management and architecture. You are building something that will last forever. If you have Aquarius in your second house, your path to wealth is through innovation and communication. You are here to break the financial rules and not follow them. Leverage technology, embrace your unique idea, and consider online businesses. And you are genius in creating income in new ventures. If you have Pisces, your path through wealth is your intuition power, your creativity. Your relationship with money can feel minimal. Wealth follows you if you trust your gut, if you have good intuition power. Clear financial system is helpful, but biggest breakthrough is your intuitions in this. Whatever feel good for you, you have a good intuition, just go for it. So this is how you can activate your second house, use your second house to generate wealth. I hope you like this video. Give me a comment and give me a feedback onto this. Until next video, Jai Babedi, Jai Bajrang.